So I'm here in my salon loo today. Oh, now it's a bit yucky. Got a lot of lining really, it was just tissue blocking it up. However, there's something that was blocking it up. I'll just show you the bag that crap was in there. There's one of these. Now aren't they lovely? They smell great, they clean your loo as you go. But literally our salon plumbing runs from this loo, which is the end of the tail, turns left, goes all the way past all our basins. If that had made it through and blocked just before our basins, or just after our basins, we'd have been out of business for it. Probably cost a couple of grand. In fact, it probably would have cost 5 to 6 grand, because I can remember putting it all in and it's buried underneath. Don't use these in your salon toilets. They will root you out of business if it's not the right thing. And of course, obviously, it depends on your plumbing setup, but not good. Better off just throw some bleach down there. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean up.